Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the Series 9 case size and the matching band width so the connectors seat correctly. Lay the watch face down on a soft cloth to avoid scratches and keep the band and connector clean. Once done, unlock the quick release or press the small tab on the back of the watch to slide the old band out. You want visible rail alignment. This prevents misfits and ensures a smooth first insertion that avoids jamming the connector or scratching the watch. Now attach the new strap by orienting each connector to the corresponding rail and sliding it straight in. Do this slowly so the locking tab seats fully. You should feel or hear a click. If not, withdraw and reseat, because partial engagement can let the band detach. For magnetic or loop styles, align the clasp and adjust tension so the watch sits flat and breathing room is consistent. Once both sides are installed, wiggle gently to confirm secure engagement and correct orientation. Finish by sizing the strap for a stable, comfortable fit, tight enough to keep sensors close but loose enough for circulation, making micro adjustments or removing links as needed. Wear the watch for a few minutes and test typical motions to ensure it doesn't shift. If you ever feel looseness or hear a rattling, stop and reseat the connector. Clean any debris from the rail and retry. If problems persist, swap to another compatible band to isolate whether the strap or watch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.